Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director for Sallie Tomato, and today we are unwrapping day 11 of our 2024 Holiday Royale Advent Box. And be prepared to be dazzled. Day 11. This refined and minimalist item adds a touch of elegance and style to the item in day 12. Ooh, I love this flip lock. This designer flip lock adds a fun, dramatic flair to projects while also having function as a closure for pockets, flaps, wallets, and bags, but also a sophisticated embellishment. Similar to the handmade labels, this flip lock works great with all fabrics and installs easily with a seam ripper or scissors. You're going to want to make sure that you hold on to this item because we might be using this in a future project. In the video description below this video, you'll find a couple links. One is how to install this designer flip lock into your project. And also you'll find a link to our newsletter so that you can subscribe to our email list so that if you didn't snag this year's Advent box, you can make sure that you check it out next year. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will always be notified when we drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays.